What's up? In case you want your face to look like this, better be prepared for your hands to look like this. Am I shooting a video at 3 o'clock at night? Yes. That too, it's Halloween.
Why am I whispering? That's because the time is 2 a.m. and everyone's sleeping.
So I'm gonna be very careful while using this because flashback.
End of flashback.
Or maybe it should be a little spooky. Blim 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 blim.
You know the Harry Potter music? I'm talking about that.
I'm pretty sure I'm not the only one who acts like I'm 14. Any of y'all watching this video 14? As far as I know, most of my analytics show people above the age of 18, like me.
I'm old.
A complete disaster.
There's a guest on my channel. Guess who? Hey guys, it's me, Afreen from the future, aka voiceover Afreen.
I have a feeling this is gonna be a disaster, but let's do it. It's gonna be fun.